Hi guys, welcome to my channel. I am Kit Valentini Magdao, and today I will be giving you guys an example on how to find the derivative of a trigonometric function. So first of all here, you can see a problem. Find the derivative of f of x is equals to tan times 3x cubed plus 2. So first of all, in trigonometric, every identities when derived will become to different identities. Just like how sin will equal to cos, or how cos will equal to negative sin, tan here will be equal to secant square. As such, our formula will be different depending on the identities. So here we have tan. So the derivative, so the formula for the tan is the derivative of x equals to secant squared times u times the derivative of u. So that is the formula for the tangent identities. Next is we need to identify what is the u. So the u here is this, which is 3x cubed plus 2. So we should first find the derivative, which will be 3 times 3 equals to 9, and 3 minus 1 is equal to 2. So 9x squared. The 2 here is a constant, so it is equal to 0. Next is we have to substitute the given problem to the formula. So the derivative of f of x is equals to secant squared by 3x cubed plus 2 times the derivative of u, which is 9x squared. So simplify it, which will look like 9x squared secant squared by u x cubed plus 2. So this is the answer for the derivative of tan 3x cubed plus 2. I hope you guys learned something from my video, and that is all. Thank you for watching, and I hope to see you again on my next video. Goodbye.